Whoa, didn't know we were going to do this right now. But I'm Liam Cena, and this is my bike check. We'll start off with the frame. I'm running a Black Eye Mac frame. That's an A frame. Up here we got a Poverty Recession stem with some stock Black Eye Mac bars for right now. Odyssey Aaron Ross keyboard grips with some Odyssey power ends. Right here we got a Stolen Revolver rim and a Primo Classic dirt tire. Right here we got some Fit PCs. Right here we got some Black Label cranks with the Stolen Revolver, what's it called? Sprocket. And then another Stolen Revolver rim back here with the Primo V Monster in the back. Stock seat post and seat. It's weighing about 23 pounds right now.
Loud.